Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to another day in my 2019 holiday card series. So we are doing clean and simple cards this week, and today I am using the Perfectly Plaid bundle from the 2019 holiday catalog from Stampin' Up! And I'm using one of my favorite color combos, which is Poppy Parade, Granny Apple Green, Coastal Cabana, and Flirty Flamingo. I love this combination, especially for this time of year. So I'm using my Stamp-A-Ratus here to stamp 4 of the trees. I do end up only using 3, but I wanted to go ahead and I couldn't decide which ones I was going to use. And I decided to go ahead and stick with the Flirty Flamingo, the Coastal Cabana, and the Poppy Parade. Granny Apple Green was just a little bit darker than what I was looking for. If I thought about it, I should have used maybe Pear Pizzazz, maybe Mint Marker On, one of those. So I'm going to go ahead and punch out those trees. And then I'm going to use this Merry Christmas sentiment from the Snowman Season stamp set. I love this font, and I thought it went really well with the whole whimsical feel of this card. I'm going to bring in this scalloped oval from My Favorite Things and use that to cut out a piece of the bright 6x6 designer series paper. This is the Granny Apple Green, so that's how I brought in the green. So initially I thought I was going to use a white card base. So here is a piece of thick Whisper White that I had cut down to 5.5 by 8.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I brought in a piece of Poppy Parade, thinking I wanted to use that. And then I decided on Flirty Flamingo. So I am cutting out of frame, but I'm cutting at 5.5 by 8.5, and I'm scoring at 4 1/4. Almost always my card bases are either 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5.5, or this one. And then I always add an inside card layer that is 4 by 5 1/4. I am using my Scotch tape runner. If you missed Monday's video, I talk about that. I also talk about what's going on with my fingers and my hands. So make sure you check out that video. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere the two of the trees. So I'm going to adhere the Flirty Flamingo, and I'm going to adhere the Poppy Parade flat. And I'm just using the paper to help me line those up, and then I'm popping up the Coastal Cabana tree. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add adhesive to the back and get this on my card base. After I put on the tree, I'm going to go ahead and add the sentiment at the bottom of the oval, and I'm just using some Scotch mounting foam that you can get off Amazon. You can also use dimensional, but I am out. Once I do this, I'm going to bring in some glitter enamel dots, and I'm going to end up coloring a couple of them using my Poppy Parade marker. You can use any kind of alcohol marker to color these, and I love adding this bit of red using an enamel dot. So once I've done that, I'm going to bring in a shimmer pen. Now, this is water-based ink, so this pen will move it around. So once I'm doing this, I'm also cleaning it off to the left. So that's it. Quick, clean, simple. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to check out all the links, which are down in the description box below. And I'll see you Friday for another card. Bye for now.